Today, we're going to add a robot voice effect to your audio. This is perfect for transforming your voice into a futuristic mechanical sound. Let's dive right in. First, import your video or audio clip to the timeline. If your video has audio, tap the video clip and then choose Extract Audio to separate the sound from the video. This will make it easier to apply effects to just the audio. Now, tap on the audio layer and scroll through the toolbar until you find the voice effects option. In the voice effects menu, select the robot effect. InShot will instantly apply the robot voice effect to your audio. If needed, you can adjust the play with the equalizer settings to customize the effect to your liking. Once you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a robot voice effect to your audio. It's a simple way to make your audio sound super cool and mechanical. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.